Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. Today we have English practice book, reading section, field hockey. Before going to start field hockey, we have some question in the page number 124. Now come to page number 124. Page number 124. Now write the answer. 120 page number 4. One is tomato, a smriti. Smriti. Second, Madhav. And third, Anand. Okay. Now complete the chart of page number 124. First of all, complete it. Then after I will proceed to next worksheet A4. Now come to the worksheet A4. Complete the table given below. Like this, we have to complete the table: a stomach and headache, swollen hand, and next we have stop eating cheese and drinking milk. अभी जितना दिख रहा है उतना लिख लो, फिर मैं दिखा दूंगी. Next, stop eating fish, stop eating tomatoes, stop eating bread and pasta. Okay. Like this, we have to complete the table given in the page number 124, A4. Okay, are you doing? Now come to page number 124, last worksheet, A4-3. In this worksheet, we have to find out words from the passage which mean the same. Something that you like over everything else, favorite. Second, a person who treats patients, doctor. Food that we eat every day, diet. Like this, we have to complete. We have completed passages, question answer, page number 124. Okay, done. Good. No, now come to the next passage. Now come to the next passage. Page number 125, field hockey. So in this passage, we have the history of hockey, from where hockey originated. History. The game of hockey emerged from a number of ball and a stick games played by the British from the 17th century onwards. The first rules rules written in the mid 1850 refer to cricket ball painted white. So this game, hockey game, emerged from the British in the 17th century from the cricket ball, cricket white ball as the object used. The first hockey club emerged in Blackheath, that is in British, was formed on a common ground used as a golf course. The game was exported by the British to Australia and India. So from that British, Australia and India, both country uh, exported this hockey game. At the Olympic, hockey was first contested in Britain at 1908 Olympic Games in London. In London, the hockey game emerged in 1908, and that very first time Britain played hockey, where the host fielded three teams: England, Ireland, and Scotland. जो three countries are there participated in Olympic game, first England, Ireland, and Scotland, and won the medals. It reappeared in 1920, and its unbroken run on the Olympic schedule began in 1928. So this game reappeared in 1920 in the Olympic, and Olympic rescheduled in 1928 when India won the first of 5 consecutive Olympic titles. So 1928, India has got so many medals. Women's hockey was played, contested in 1980. Before 1980, there is no any rule, and there was no any women contested, but after 1980 women contested were taken in part in Olympic. Perhaps the most noteworthy women's match was Australia's victory over South Korea in 1988 Olympic. The Korea women had been trained virtually full time, hoping to win the gold medal at home, and were offered rich rewards. So, in this first time, Korea women participated in full time, hoping to take gold medal in Olympic, and they really reached the goal. To take medal, but Australia were too good in the final. But Australia played very well in 1988. Now come to the question answer. Ola means objective type question answer, which in page number 125 and 126. First we have hockey first became an Olympic sport in, there are three options: 1908, 1920, 1960. So first answer is correct, 1908. Take the correct answer, 1908. Now come to second question. Britain won the gold medal in hockey at the time 98 Olympic Games because they entered, there are three options: entered more teams than any other country. Second, changed the rules to encourage more attacking play. And third, had been playing the game for the longest period of time. The third one is the correct option, had been playing the game for the longest period of time. Now come to third question. At the 1928 Olympic Games, second C, Second C, pick the correct option C. Now come to question number 3. At the 1928 Olympic Games, there are 3 options. England, Ireland, Scotland won medals in hockey. Second, we have England won the gold medal for hockey. And third, India won the first of the 5 Olympic titles for hockey. So, last one is the correct option, option C. Option C, India won the first of the 5 Olympic titles for hockey. Yes. Now come to question number 4. According to the information, in 1988, the South Korea women's hockey team. This is the question about South Korea women's team. There are 3 options: played together as a team for the first time, and second, won its match against the Australian team, and third, was offered incentives to win the gold medal. So third one is the correct option, was offered incentives to win the gold medal. Any doubt, any problem regarding these questions? Now come to the true false. State whether the following statements are true or false. First, Australia and India were the first countries to play in a hockey competition. What is the correct option? The correct false. First, false. Second, the first hockey club, Blackleaf Heath, was formed on a specially designed field. False. Third, the game of hockey was created directly from the game of cricket. True. Cricket and hockey initially used a similar type of ball. True. So these are correct answer of true false of the given statements. Come to the question A5 in page number 127. Find words from the passage which are the opposite of the following: important, immersed. Second, defeat, victory or won. Poor, rich. Like this, we have completed field hockey. Next, we have the silver fish. This is the poem.
While fishing blue,
recite the poem, The Silver Fish. On your video. On your video.
the silver fish. While fishing in the blue lagoon, I caught a lovely silver fish, and he spoke to me. My boy, quoth he, please set me free, and I'll grant you wish. A kingdom of wisdom, a palace of gold, or all the fancies your mind can hold. And I said, okay, and I set him free. But I laughed at me as he swam away and left me whispering my wish into a silent sea. Today is I caught that fish again, that lovely silver prince of fishes, and once again he offered me if I should only set him free, and one of a number of wishes if I would throw him back to the fishes. He was delicious.
Very good, Adya. Very good. Next, Abhinav.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav Patnayak.
Silverfish. While fishing in the Blue Lagoon, I caught a lovely silverfish, and he spoke to me. My boy, quoth he, please set me free, and I will grant your wish. A kingdom of wisdom, a palace of gold, or all the fancies your mind can hold. And I said, okay, and I set him free. But he laughed at me as he swam away and left me whispering my wish into a silent sea. Today I caught that fish again, that lovely fish, that lovely silver prince of fishes, and once again he offered me if I would only set him free, any one of a number of fishes, if I could throw him back to the fishes. He was delicious.
Very good. Aditi. Okay. Himanshu.
While fishing in the Blue Lagoon, I caught a lovely silver fish, and he spoke to me. My boy, quite he, please set me free, and I will grant your wish, a kingdom of wisdom, a place of gold, or all fancies your mind can hold. And I said, okay. And I set him free, but he laughed at me as swam away, and left me whispering my wish into a silent sea. Today I caught the fish again, the lovely silver prince of fishes.
Now, we have completed the reading section of the silverfish and field hockey. So, we have completed, time is over now. Goodbye, class. Take care. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Time is over now. Goodbye. Bye.